artists! Welcome back to Toddler's Art Hub. Are you ready to draw something super fun today? We're going to create a colorful train puppet toy. Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Grab your markers and let's get started. Let's begin by drawing the driver's room. Draw a tall rectangle, but make sure to curve the top a little to give it a fun shape. This is where our train driver sits. Next, let's draw the engine. Draw another rectangle attached to the driver's room, but curve it slightly on the right side. This will be the powerful engine of our train. Every train needs a chimney. Let's draw a chimney on top of the engine. Make it tall and round so that it looks like it can puff out lots of smoke. Now, let's add 4 big wheels at the bottom of our train. Draw circles with a base underneath to keep our train steady on the tracks. Don't forget to add a window on the driver's room so the driver can see where they're going. Time to make this train into a puppet toy. Fill the driver's room, engine, and even the wheels with small circles. These are the puppet bubbles that make our toy so much fun. Finally, let's draw some smoke puffs coming out of the chimney. Make them big and fluffy, like cotton candy clouds. Let's make it even better by outlining everything with a bold black marker. This will make our train pop out even more. Let's make each part of our train bright and beautiful. Wow, our train is looking amazing. Now comes the best part, coloring. We're going to use rainbow colors to make our train super colorful and fun. Grab your color pens and let's color together. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. You're doing an awesome job. Look at that. Our rainbow train poppet toy looks fantastic. If you had fun drawing and coloring with us today, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join us for more creative adventures. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.